Cuckooing is named after the nest-stealing practice of wild cuckoos. It's a form of criminal exploitation where people are conned, coerced, controlled or intimidated into providing access to their home to criminals, who then use it to base their criminal activity. Such activity may include sex work, storing cash and weapons, or dealing drugs. Perpetrators may also take over a property to financially abuse its occupier.
Cuckooing is a highly exploitative and predatory practice, with estimates suggesting that more than 1,000 individuals are victimised by cuckooing perpetrators each year. Victims are typically vulnerable, and primary targets include those who are dependent on drugs and alcohol, those with learning difficulties, and those with disabilities or mental health issues. Some victims may receive benefits for their cooperation, such as drugs or money, yet are likely to be subjected to serious threats, coercion, physical and psychological violence and intimidation once access to their property has been achieved.
Cuckooing is a complex and evolving practice, and tackling it requires a multi-agency response that's designed to eliminate organised crime groups and target hardened potential victims. To facilitate this response, we have partnered with professionals from West Yorkshire Police, Leeds City Council and Horton Housing to launch a cuckooing research and prevention network. This network enables the exchange of knowledge and promising cuckooing interventions between members spanning the academic, practitioner and policy-making spheres and the local, regional and national levels.
To date, we have organised and chaired a sold-out network conference here at the University of Leeds and have co-delivered a series of cuckooing prevention workshops for police, safeguarding and third sector organisations alongside our partners. In addition, the project team have created a cuckooing animation to raise awareness of the pathways to becoming cuckooed and a bespoke cuckooing toolkit for practitioners operating across West Yorkshire. The toolkit includes an information booklet, a risk assessment tool and a leaflet to be shared with potential cuckooing victims. The toolkit is currently being piloted and will be evaluated and revised to reflect practitioner feedback in July.
Together with our network members, we've also petitioned Parliament for the introduction of new legislation that would make cuckooing a specific criminal offence. We've had some success with the government inserting cuckooing clauses into the Criminal Justice Bill prior to the general election being called. We've accepted invitations to brief the Home Office, the National Police Chiefs Council and the College of Policing, and we will continue to campaign for this legislation in the coming weeks and months, as we believe that prosecuting cuckooing perpetrators is an important step on the road to ensuring that vulnerable people feel safe in their own homes.